Mommy, about the hat.
Wash your hands. Tucker, who did you find?
Tucker, look, who's this?
Tucker,
Who is
did you know this is baby Sissy?
This is your baby Sissy. It's Berkeley.
The baby's okay.
Yeah,
The baby's okay. Addie, bring him up here so he can hold her.
This is baby Sissy.
That baby's ours.
You gotta be soft, okay?
Here.
That's baby Sissy. What's her name, Tucker?
Berkeley.
Berkeley.
Addie.
Do you want to hold her?
I'm so melly.
Do you want to hold her?
Baby. Baby.
That's your baby.
Daddy. Daddy.
You got her. It's okay. It's your baby Sissy.
That's too big, baby.
She's a big
It's too
baby.
big.
That's too big.
Okay.
That's a big baby.
That baby's too big.
That baby too big.
Tucker, do you like your baby sister?
I thought they were gonna wrap the little thing off today.
Do you like your baby sister?